How to add music to Instagram story. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide on how you can add music to Instagram story. Now, adding music on Instagram story is quite simple. However, if you are not getting the music option on Instagram story, what you can do is first make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Now, once your app is updated to the latest version, what you want to do is open up the app and log into your account. Now, as you know, you'll have to tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen to be able to add stories. Simply tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen, and here you'll be headed to this page here. Now, what you want to do is at the bottom of the screen, you can see post story, reel, live there. Simply tap on story option and you'll be headed to story. Now, you can either create a quick story by simply clicking a picture or a video, or you can tap on the gallery icon at the bottom left corner of the screen and then you can choose any picture or video. Now I'll just choose this picture up here. Now once you choose a picture, you can see the picture has popped up. To add music to your story here, what you want to do is tap on the little emoji icon that you can see beside the text icon there. You can see a little smiley face emoji icon there. Simply tap on it and you'll find various options here, and at the very top you can see the music option at the middle. Simply tap on music option here and it'll head you to music option. You can either search for music, you can either browse music, or you can see here. Now lyrics aren't available for this song. I don't know what this happened. I'll just delete this one. What you want to do is tap on the icon there and then tap on music option. You'll be able to add musics from here on for you that will show up here, or you can search for particular music, or you can browse for music here. You can see. So this way you can add music to Instagram story. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.